Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this lecture, I will explain the two very important reactions of alkenes, ozonolysis and polymerization. First of all, what is ozonolysis? Addition of ozone to double bond is called ozonolysis of alkenes. So simply concept is addition of ozone is called ozonolysis. I will start with the very simple example CH2 double bond CH2 plus O3. We know that O3 is dipolar ion. Why it is called dipolar ion? This is the oxygen which is negative, single bond O, double bond O. This is the ozone molecule. This also gives us information about the charge of oxygen, and this is the rule of organic chemistry. If oxygen forms single bond, then it will be negative. If oxygen forms double bond, then it will be neutral. If oxygen forms three bonds, then it will be positive. This is the very clear rule in organic and inorganic chemistry. Now we know that this negative charged oxygen will attack on this carbon. Attack means bond formation. When it forms bond with the carbon, carbon becomes pentavalent. This bond will be shifted between carbon and oxygen. And after shifting of this bond will be shifted on this oxygen. This is the addition of ozone. From this mechanism, I can prepare the product CH2, single bond CH2. Double bond is converted into single bond. The first bond O, this is also O, two oxygen atoms, and this is the third oxygen. This compound is called molozonide. Three oxygen atoms become attached on one side. The compound is molozonide, which is highly unstable because three oxygen atoms are present on one side. Each oxygen atom have two lone pairs. Due to these repulsions, molozonide is unstable. It undergo rearrangement. After rearrangement, it becomes ozonide CH2 O, CH2 O. This is the oxygen. This is called ozonide. I can also explain the mechanism of rearrangement, but this is not included up to this level. In next step, this CH2 O, CH2 oxygen and oxygen, it will react with the zinc. We know that zinc is the reducing agent. It will remove oxygen, and we can break this ozonide into two parts. These are the two parts. Now our products will be, you know that this is the homolytic bond cleavage. This is also homolytic bond cleavage. So C double bond O, which is attached with two hydrogen atoms H and H. On right hand side, molecules is also same, and side product will be ZNO. This is the very important step. In last step, ZNO react with the water to form Zn plus H2O2 hydrogen peroxide. So we can prepare formaldehyde from alkene by the process of ozonolysis. And this is the complete explanation of ozonolysis of ethene. But again, according to our pattern, examiner can take any alkene. I will give one more example. Now I will take the propene, CH3, single bond CH, double bond CH2 plus O3. This alkene is unsymmetrical. Addition of ozone takes place, CH3CH single bond CH2, oxygen, oxygen and oxygen. Molozonide is formed. After rearrangement, CH3, CHO, CH2, oxygen and oxygen, ozonide is formed. In next step, CH3, CH, O and CH2, oxygen and oxygen. This is the ozonide. We will add zinc into it. I have already explained zinc is the reducing agent. In the same way, bond cleavage will take place. As a result of this bond cleavage, double bond is produced here. One electron from this, one electron from this. So CH3, C double bond O and H. This product is formed from the left part, and from right part plus double bond is here, HC double bond O and H. Side product is ZNO. One is acetaldehyde. This product is the acetaldehyde, and this is formaldehyde. One product is acetaldehyde, other is formaldehyde. So we can prepare any aldehyde or ketone from alkene. In last step, I will write ZNO plus H2O give us Zn plus H2O2. Now the question which can be taken from this part: how can you prepare acetaldehyde from alkene? How can you prepare acetaldehyde and formaldehyde from alkene? How can you prepare acetone and acetaldehyde from alkene? How can you prepare acetone from alkene? How can you prepare propanone or 1-butanone and 1-butanol from alkene? These are the different questions which can be taken from this part. Eighth reaction is polymerization. What is polymerization reaction? Poly means many, merge means units. Those reactions in which large number of small molecules combine to form a larger molecule is called polymerization. And the small units which combine to form the polymer are called monomers. I will take the example. Suppose n number of ethene molecules, when polymerized, and this polymerization takes place at 400 degree centigrade temperature, 100 atm pressure, in the presence of 0.1% oxygen. These are the conditions of polymerization. When ethene is polymerized, for example, if two ethene molecules polymerize, they form 4 carbon containing alkene. Polymer. N mean it may be 100, it may be 1000, it may be 10,000, it may be million. So when large number of molecules, n number of molecules, they form polyethene. This product is polyethene, or it is called polyethylene. Polyethene or polyethylene. We know that in everyday life, different qualities of polyethene are available. If we want to prepare good quality polyethene, we will use the different catalyst. The catalyst which can be used to produce the good quality polyethene is aluminium triethyl and titanium tetrachloride. This is the very important multiple choice question. Aluminium triethyl and titanium tetrachloride are used to prepare good quality polyethene. This is all about the reactions of alkenes. Thank you.